have noticed that I've been very obsessed with lights from all my other videos. So without further ado, let's get started! You will need copper wires, fairy lights, and pliers. First, start by selecting a design that you would like to make. Next, bend the wires into the design. Don't worry if it doesn't look good at first. Just keep adjusting and adjusting till you are satisfied. And remember to choose the wires which are sturdy enough and yet not too thick that you will have to use so much strength just to get it into shape. Once you're done, just snip off the excess with a plier. Now go ahead and wrap the fairy lights around it. For this part, I purposely wrap around it once first. This I feel will be able to protect us, as I feel that the ends of the wires are pretty sharp. Now go ahead and wrap around it and you are done! Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy what you've just watched, do give me a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more of these DIY videos, do hit on the subscribe button down below. And if you have other future DIY projects that you want me to do comment them in the comment sections down below. With that, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. Till then, thanks for watching. Bye bye!